over 18% annualized returns from special funds. People are reaping the benefits of putting their money in special funds, whilst others are making noise at how they are making money. I mean, yes, you want to know how they are making money, but at the same time, you don't want to miss the opportunities that come with these special funds. In today's episode, I'm going to look at 3 special funds and compare their Q1 and Q2 returns, as well as their similarities and differences, and perhaps why you should consider joining at least one of them, if not all of them. Remember, I said it is advisable to spread your risk, and that is why I would recommend, if you're able to invest in different special funds, spread. But perhaps if you only have enough funds to invest in one, at least start. Okay? Hello, good people. Hope you're doing well. Jessie is my name, and this is the Money and Growth Circle, where we are working towards financial peace and ultimately financial freedom. At the beginning of the year, we talked about different special funds, and specifically I talked about Mansa X, Etica Multi Asset, and Kuza Momentum, and I explained to you what you need to know before you join a special fund. For those who listened, they are now reaping the benefits. For those who missed the opportunity, maybe they didn't have enough funds to be able to join the special funds, I hope you're continuing to save so that at least at some point you will be able to join one of them. I said the minimum investment is 100,000, so I hope you're keeping up. And one way of making that money is keeping up with our 52-week saving challenge. We said we are saving capital for investment. So let's look at 6 months performance of the 3 special funds: Etica Multi Asset Special Fund, Kuza Momentum, and Mansa X. So we're going to start with the top as we go down. In Q1, Etica was top with 5.02% for the quarter, annualized at 20.36%. Mansa X took position 2 at 4.74%, annualized at 18.96%. Kuza took number 3 at 2.45% for the quarter, annualized at 9.80. So as you can see, Kuza was last in Q1. Before we go to Q2 performance, I would like to highlight a few similarities about these special funds. Number 1, they are all regulated by the Capital Markets Authority. Number 2, their goal is to generate more returns than the traditional money market fund. Number 3, they invest across multiple asset classes. They are professionally managed. They are designed for medium to long-term investors. They allow investors to benefit from diversification. Therefore, they are not considered as get-rich-quick schemes, but they help investors grow their wealth over a period of time. So what makes these special funds different? Mansa X is considered as the pioneer, and it has already taken a significant number of investors. It has been consistent in their returns. They focus on diversification both locally and globally. It is more or less considered as the established market leader. But that does not mean Etica is not coming fast and picking the momentum, as well as Kuza Momentum Special Fund. They are also pushing to penetrate the market as Mansa has done it. Etica Multi Asset Special Fund is a top challenger of Mansa X. Having been recently established, it has gained attention because of its strong performance and diversified multi-asset approach. Etica targets growth while spreading investments across various opportunities. For investors looking for aggressive investments with a diversified approach, Etica has become a serious contender. Kuza Momentum is a tactical player. Its investment approach focuses on identifying momentum and market opportunities. This can result in periods of underperformance, but it can also create explosive quarters, like what we are about to see in quarter 2. Investors who believe active positioning can outperform may prefer Kuza Momentum Special Fund. So, how do you decide which special fund to join among the 3? If you want track record, Mansa X is your go-to special fund. If you want rapid growth with constant returns, Etica is your way to go. If you want tactical growth with potential for standout quarters, Kuza Momentum is your way to go special fund. So someone may ask, how do I join? For Mansa X, you can go to their website and open an account. For Etica and Kuza Asset Management, use the links in the description down below. A few other things I would want to highlight about these special funds. Number 1, they are all high-risk investments. The minimum investment for Kuza Momentum Special Fund is 100,000, whilst for Mansa X and Etica Multi Asset Special Fund is 250,000 Kenya shillings. Let's get to quarter 2 returns. As we always say, that even if you started last, does not mean you end last. So in quarter 2, Etica and Kuza switched positions and Kuza became number 1. Can you imagine? They were lagging behind, now they became number 1. Mansa retained their position at number 2, and number 3, Etica took the position. The return for Kuza Momentum Special Fund was 6.25%. Can you imagine? From 2.45% to 6.25%. That is why I have said some quarters may be good, others may be challenging because of their business approach. For the annualized yield, it's 18.96%. Mansa X took the second position with 5.95%, annualized at 23.15%. Etica took the third position with 5.23%, annualized at 22.13%. So, the reality of things are sometimes you will be up, others you go down a bit. So, let's see top 3 for year to date based on their annualized returns. This is where Mansa X will be shining. They are top at 23.15%, followed closely by Etica at 22.13%, and Kuza is last at 18.96%. So, if you followed my advice and decided to diversify into the different special funds, you're reaping the benefit from all the 3. Annualized, Mansa takes the lead. Q1, Etica takes the lead. Q2, Kuza takes the lead. So you just need to spread and maximize on the returns as you spread the risk. The lesson we take from this pattern is do not judge an investment based on one quarter or perhaps just 1 year. Give it time. And if possible, spread so that no matter which one gives you better returns, you are in it. Focus on consistency, and if you have not started, don't give up. Keep saving until you accumulate enough to at least even join Kuza Momentum Special Fund, which is the lowest at 100,000 minimum investment. Focus on your strategy. Focus on long-term wealth creation because investing is not a sprint, it is a marathon. Remember, before you start investing, you need to have your emergency fund in place. And that is why you hear me not talking of the risk, because at the point of investing in special fund, your emergency fund is in place and you will not be calling up your investment at whatever time. If you want to know the nitty-gritties of Mansa X, Etica, and other special funds I've talked about, I'll link the videos down below so that you can ensure you also go and watch them before you make that decision as to which one you want to join. Get a clear understanding of who they are, where they invest, and their past performance. Remember, past performance does not always guarantee it will perform the same way. Some do well sometimes they struggle. As we wrap up, remember this: choosing an investment fund is only one part of the equation. The big question is, how do you put together an investment portfolio that works for you and aligns with your goal? If you're feeling overwhelmed and you would like assistance coming up with a personalized investment portfolio, feel free to reach out. You can use the link down below to book, or the contact to reach out to me, and we'll see what we can do to come up with an investment portfolio that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, investment timeline, and your current financial position. Do not invest with emotions or copy someone else. Plan, strategize, and then implement. Okay, I'll link all the videos to the special funds that I have discussed before so that you can check them out. Otherwise, thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next one as we continue to make money moves one at a time. Bye.